गुड आफ्टरनून स्टुडंट्स. आज पुन्हा आपण बघतोय वेक्टर्स अँड 3 डायमेन्शनल जॉमेट्री या टॉपिक मधले काही आउटलाइन्स आणि त्या रिलेटेड असणारे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. नाउ फर्स्ट, two vectors a bar and b bar are collinear if and only if first vector is scalar multiple of other vector, then two vectors are said to be collinear vectors. Or we write in terms of components. A bar is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and b bar is b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Then that is the component format of vector representation. That is, coefficients are in proportionals. That is, one is scalar multiple of other means first vector is scalar multiple of other means that is coefficients are in proportions. First vector a1 a2 a3, second vector b bar b1 b2 b3. These are the in the proportions, that is proportionality, collinear. Next, a collinearity of 3 points a b c. Suppose points are given 3 points a b c, then from this a b c we write a b bar as a b bar minus a bar, that is position vector of a b bar minus a bar, a c bar as a c bar minus a bar. या 3 पॉइंट पासून आपण दोन वेक्टर बनवणार a b bar and a c bar. Then if a b bar and a c bar are collinear, then we say that corresponding points are collinear. These are the points and a b bar and a c bar are the vectors. If a b bar a c bar are collinear, then points are collinear. We already know this three-dimensional x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is yz plane, xy plane, and this is xz plane. Now just we take any point in this space, p x y z be the any point in the space, or it is a plane. Plane मध्ये कुठेही आपण एक पॉइंट घेतला. Distance of a point p from xy plane. त्या पॉइंट्स xy plane पासूनचा डिस्टन्स, xy plane पासून असणारा त्या पॉइंटचा डिस्टन्स, that is xy plane पासूनचा असणारा डिस्टन्स, that is point is in space मध्ये, therefore its distance is on y. It is therefore a z coordinate of that point with modulus sign. Its distance is positive, therefore we take z modulus z. Distance of a point, same point from yz plane, then check x coordinate, that is modulus x, and from xz plane it is modulus y. Again same point, distance of a point p from x axis, same point plane मध्ये स्पेस मध्ये असणारा एक पॉइंट, त्या पॉइंटचं x axis पासूनचं डिस्टन्स, जस्ट टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट y स्क्वेअर प्लस z स्क्वेअर, that is square of this y square plus z square and its square root, that is distance of that point from x axis. Then from y axis x square plus z square and its square root, z axis square root x square plus y square. Next point, section formula, internal division. If point R divides segment AB internally in the ratio m as n, then position vector of R point, R bar is equal to just mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. If point R divides AB internally. External division, if a point R divides AB externally in the ratio m as n, then R bar is equal to, again position vector of R bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. These are just internal and external formula. You already know this. Just hint is here, for finding ratio in which point R divides AB, we take k as 1. आपल्याला जर रेशो कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा असेल तर आपण k as 1 हा रेशो घेणार, k as 1. Then we use internal formula directly. Internal formula k as 1, that is m is equal to k and n is equal to 1. And just solve this. If k is positive, then division is internal division. If k is negative, then division is external division. म्हणजे आपल्याला जर रेशो विचारला असेल तर आपण k as 1 सपोज करायचा आणि इंटरनल फॉर्म्युला डायरेक्टली यूज करायचा. त्याच्यानंतर जर k पॉझिटिव्ह मिळाला, k ची व्हॅल्यू पॉझिटिव्ह मिळाली तर इंटरनल डिव्हिजन, k is negative then external division. This is centroid formula. Again these are the just notation. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle and G is centroid. Then position vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar and G bar. Then G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3. And this next is dot product. Dot product denoted by just A bar dot B bar. Just I write simply definition. A bar dot B bar, modulus A bar modulus B bar cos theta. We can find a theta angle between just two vectors by using this also. Just modulus A bar modulus B bar transfer, we get angle theta. Now one more definition for dot product is just multiplication of coefficients. If it is in terms of component format, that is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, B bar B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap, then A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. If A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3, that is just multiplication of coefficients. This is nothing but again a dot product of two vectors. If component format, then multiplication of coefficient is nothing but dot product. Dot product is a scalar quantity. It is scalar quantity. Now one more condition is two vectors are perpendicular. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. If dot product is 0, then we can say that two vectors are perpendicular to each other. That is, if dot product is 0, then angle between the vector is perpendicular. Therefore, it is 90 degree. Next point, direction angles. Again, consider a three-dimensional space x, y, z. Then angle made by a vector or line. Consider any line in a space. Then angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis are called as direction angles. ही लाइन आहे, या लाइन ने x axis बरोबर केलेला अँगल, y axis बरोबर केलेला अँगल आणि z axis बरोबर केलेला अँगल with positive direction of x axis, y axis and z axis. Positive direction of x axis, y axis and z axis बरोबर केलेला अँगल जो आहे या लाईननी, that angles are nothing but direction angles denoted by alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the respectively direction angles, that is angles made by a line with positive direction of x axis, y axis and z axis. If alpha, beta, gamma are the direction angles, then direction cosines are nothing but just taking its cosine. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines denoted by small letters L, M, N. That is, L is direction cosines, cos alpha, M, N, cos beta and cos gamma respectively. That is DCS. DCS means again direction cosine, short form. DCS of x-axis, that is angle made by x-axis with x, y and z axis respectively, that is 0 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. Therefore cos 0, cos 90, cos 90, cos 0 1, cos 90 0, cos 90 0. Therefore DCS of x-axis 1 0 0, DCS of y-axis 0 1 0, DCS of z-axis 0 0 1. Again, relation between DCS, L square plus M square plus N square is always 1. Sum of the squares of this direction cosines is equal to always 1. That is, relation is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. If we write this in terms of sine square I write just this 1 minus this sine square, second 1 minus sine square beta plus 1 minus sine square gamma is equal to 1. Then I write sine square transfer, sine square beta transfer, sine square gamma transfer. 1 1 1, it is 3 and this 1 minus, therefore 2. 2 is equal to sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. That is, there are two relations. In one is in terms of cos, that is, this is standard one, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. Second is in terms of sine square alpha plus sine square beta sine square gamma is equal to, it is 2 just. This is just relation between direction cosines. Direction ratios, that is any number which are proportional to direction cosines are nothing but that numbers are nothing but direction ratios. That is, these are the number proportional to ABC are the numbers proportional to this direction cosines. Then these numbers are called as direction ratios. A line have unique direction cosines. Line ला एकच direction cosines असणार, but line has infinitely many direction ratios. Line has, that is, any number which are proportional to this are called as direction ratios. Therefore line have infinitely many direction ratios but unique direction cosines. Relation between direction cosines and direction ratios. L is equal to plus or minus a upon square root a square plus b square plus c square. If we know a, b, c, that is a direction ratios, then we can calculate L, M, N by using this formula just. Next point, cross product. A bar cross b bar. Notation A bar cross b bar. Cross product is a vector quantity. म्हणजे आपल्याला a bar आणि b bar या दोन वेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट केला की परत आपल्याला वेक्टर्स मिळणार. A bar cross b bar is equal to modulus a bar modulus b bar sin theta n cap. Where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. A bar आणि b bar दोघांना perpendicular असणार. That is called as n cap. And then also we take modulus of this. Modulus a bar cross b bar is equal to modulus a bar modulus b bar sin theta. N cap is unit vector, therefore its modulus is 1 neglected. Again a bar cross b bar also by in terms of determinant format. First row ijk, second coefficients of ijk of a bar a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. Cross product 0. Vectors are a parallel vector, that is angle between vectors is a 0. Angle between two vectors a bar and b bar is 0. Cross product 0. Then parallel. Dot product 0. Perpendicular. A bar dot b bar 0. Then perpendicular. Cross product 0. Then parallel. Now scalar triple a bar dot b bar cross c bar. B bar आणि c bar मध्ये क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर a bar बरोबर डॉट प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज जस्ट डिटर्मिनंट 3/3 ऑर्डर 3 चा डिटर्मिनंट. फर्स्ट रो a bar coefficient, second row b bar coefficient, third c bar coefficient, denoted as a box a bar b bar and c bar. Now cyclic change does not change the value of a scalar triple product. That is original is here a bar b bar c bar. Cyclic change, that is b bar first, then c bar second and a bar then third position. B bar c bar a bar, then again b bar last position, c bar a bar and b bar, c bar a bar and b bar. This is called as a cyclic change, just cyclic change. If we make cyclic change, then value does not change. Single interchange, if we make single interchange a bar and b bar, if we alter this b bar and a bar, then it is called as a single interchange. B bar a bar, then its value becomes minus of a bar b bar and c bar. Single interchange changes sign only. If scalar triple is equal to 0, a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to 0, this determinant is equal to 0, then if and only if one of the vector is 0 vector, याच्यामधला एक वेक्टर 0 असेल तर determinant value 0 मिळेल. Any two vectors are collinear, that is one of the vector is scalar multiple of other, then again value of determinant is 0. Third one, three vectors a bar b bar and c bar are coplanar. Three vectors are coplanar. One of the vector can be expressed in terms of other two vectors b bar and c bar. That is a bar is expressed in terms of b bar and c bar. Therefore first and other row is again equivalent rows and therefore it is 0 by using properties of determinant. Therefore if we want three vectors coplanar, to show that three vectors are coplanar, just we have to show that determinant is equal to 0. Collinear again check the determinant is equal to 0. That is 3 points are collinear, then take its determinant is equal to 0, we get just one of the vector is 0 vector. It is just if scalar triple is 0, then one of the vector is 0, or two vectors are collinear. Any two vectors of this are collinear, and last one is three vectors are coplanar. Then two more points are there. Volume of parallelepiped, we know this already. Volume of tetrahedron 1/6, and it is a scalar triple product. Now first objective, if a is equal to 3x1, b is equal to y minus 2, c is equal to 2x 2y minus 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC, and g is the centroid 2 and 0. Then dash dash x and y are dash dash. I write this just by centroid formula. I write first 3 plus y plus 2x, that is 2x plus y plus 3 upon 3 is equal to first, it is 2. Now I write second I write this, that is x minus 2 plus 2y, x minus 2y plus 2y, and here is minus 2 upon 3 is equal to second 1. Now simplifying this, just to I write 3 transfer, that is 2x plus y. 3 transfer, it is 6, 6 minus 3, it is 3, just 3. Second I write x plus 2y. 3 transfer 3 and minus 2 transfer, it is 5. Now just making coefficients equal, just multiply this equation by 2. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Neglect this now. Minus this 2 cancel. This is just minus 3y is equal to minus 10, 3. It is minus 7. Then y is equal to 7 by 3. Y is equal to plus 7 by 3. Y is equal to plus 7 by 3. C option. Check. If A bar, B bar, C bar unit coplanar vectors, then this. I write this. This is just box product. Vectors are coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors. 3 vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar vectors. Therefore, A bar, B bar, C bar, their scalar triple product is 0. That is property. Now I write this in terms of determinant just. Here A bar, B bar, C bar is absent. Therefore, I write 2, minus 1 and 0. B bar, C bar present, 1. A bar absent. Therefore, 0, 2, minus 1. And last one is this. A bar, minus 1. B bar, 0. C bar, 2 just. And then scalar triple A bar, B bar and C bar is equal to just 0. But this A bar, B bar, C bar is 0 because of coplanar vectors. Therefore, its value is 0. Therefore, value of this total is again 0, just A option. Next, if modulus A bar 2, modulus B bar 3, modulus C bar 4, then scalar triple product of this A bar plus B bar plus C bar and C bar minus A bar is equal to. Now again I write determinant format. Just determinant of this A bar plus B bar 1, 1, 0. Then B bar and C bar 0, 1, 1. C bar minus A bar minus 1, 0, 1. And it is just A bar, B bar and C bar. Now it is equal to I write just determinant value of this 1 into 1 minus 0 minus 1. Second, then cross again 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, and last 0 neglected, 0. This is the value of determinant. 1 into 1, it is 1, and it is minus 1. Therefore, value of this determinant is 0. Its value is 0. 0 into this, therefore it is 0. It is 0. C option. C option. Next example. If modulus A bar is equal to 3, modulus B bar is equal to 4, then the value of lambda for which A bar plus lambda B bar is perpendicular to A bar minus lambda B bar. Since these two vectors are perpendicular, therefore their dot product is 0. Dot product is 0. Now I take this dot product. A bar plus lambda B bar dot A bar minus lambda B bar is equal to 0. The dot product is 0. Therefore, its multiplication is just A bar dot A bar. I write modulus A bar square. That is A bar dot A bar means modulus A bar square. Directly I write this modulus A bar square minus lambda square modulus B bar square is equal to 0. Modulus A bar is given, it is 3, just 3 square, it is 9 minus lambda square is into B bar, modulus B bar is 4, it is 16, 0. Therefore, transfer just 9 is equal to lambda square into 16. 16 divide, then 9 by 16 square root 3 by 4. 3 by 4, that is B option, 3 by 4. Next, the value of this. Now this is a dot cross, it is a scalar triple product, therefore it is standard one sequence ijk. Now here j dot I cross k, if single interchange, I make this interchange j and I. Therefore single interchange, value changes by sign, minus, I write minus I cap dot j cap cross k cap. First one as it is I cap dot j cap cross k cap. Now this opposite, and last one again I write cyclic change, I cap first, then dot j cap second and k cap last. This That is, these two are same, just cancel, and this is I cap dot j cap cross k cap. It is always just 1. Its value is 1. C option. Next example, let A, B, C be a distinct non-negative numbers. These numbers are distinct and again non-negative. If the vectors ai cap plus aj cap plus ck cap, I cap plus k cap and ci cap plus cj cap plus bk cap lie in a plane, that is, three vectors lie in a plane means these vectors are coplanar, then c is equal to, then value of c is equal to these options are there. Since lie in a plane, therefore three vectors are coplanar, their scalar triple is 0. Scalar triple 0 means determinant 0. Determinant of coefficients, first AAC, second IK, that is 1 0 1, last one CCB is equal to 0. Scalar triple 0 means determinant 0. Solving this, I get A inside 0 minus C minus A inside, second B minus C, and last plus C inside C minus 0 is equal to 0. Just simplifying this, minus AC inside minus AB plus AC and plus C square is equal to 0. AC plus AC minus AC cancel, minus AB plus C square is equal to 0. Therefore C square is equal to AB. Now this indicates C square is equal to AB means that is C is what? C is geometric mean of A and B. C is geometric mean of A and B. This B option.